Hello friends, welcome to Just Top 10. The Puerto Rican boxer, Félix Verdejo, indicted by a federal grand jury for the murder of Keishla Rodríguez Ortiz, appeared virtually in federal court for the second time, from the federal jail in Guaynabo, Puerto Rico, where he pleaded not guilty. The arraignment was conducted by Judge Camille Vélez Rivé, who informed Verdejo about the accusation against him, and asked him if he had had the opportunity to read the indictment issued by the federal grand jury. The Puerto Rican boxer agreed that he had read the charges and requested through his lawyers that the court register a declaration of not guilty. Verdejo is represented by federal legal aid attorney Laura Maldonado Rodríguez and private attorney José Irizarry Pérez and David Ruhnke, appointed by the court as an expert attorney in death penalty cases. On behalf of the public ministry was prosecutor Jonathan Gottfried, director of the Violent Crimes Division of the Federal Prosecutor's Office in Puerto Rico. The defense did not request bail, while the federal prosecutor requested that he remain in prison, for which Vélez Rivé ordered that Verdejo remain in jail until the trial against him is held. The boxer is accused of having acted together with Luis Antonio Cádiz Martínez in events that led to the murder of Keishla Rodríguez Ortiz, federal prosecutor Stephen Muldrow announced last week. Boxer Félix Verdejo and another man were indicted by a grand jury in connection with the death of Rodríguez Ortiz, with whom he had a relationship and, according to her family, was pregnant with his baby. The FBI has been in charge of the investigation since Verdejo finally turned himself into authorities after a criminal complaint linked him to the death of the 27-year-old woman. Verdejo and Cádiz Martínez face charges of car theft resulting in death, kidnapping resulting in death, and killing an unborn child, according to the statement. In addition, Verdejo faces a charge for using and carrying a firearm during and in relation to a crime of violence. The case is eligible for the death penalty. Félix Verdejo and Cádiz Martínez, the witness now cooperating with the FBI, met with the victim in his SUV on April 29, according to an arrest affidavit. When she got in the car, Verdejo punched Rodríguez Ortiz in the face and injected her with a sedative, the affidavit said. Verdejo and the witness tied her arms and feet with wire before driving to a nearby bridge, investigators said. They tied a brick onto her and threw her off the bridge, according to the affidavit. Verdejo also shot at her from the bridge, according to the affidavit. On Thursday, dozens of people and family members arrived to the Arraignment funeral home in San Juan to say goodbye to Rodríguez Ortiz. The family had invited everyone to mourn her death with them in a two-day wake that took place until early Saturday morning, when Rodríguez Ortiz was buried in the Los Angeles Memorial Park Cemetery in Guaynabo. Last week, the results of the autopsy carried out by the Institute of Forensic Sciences were also published by several news outlets on the island. Rodríguez Ortiz, who was a month pregnant, died of asphyxia by immersion, according to El Vocero in Puerto Rico. The autopsy revealed that the victim had a fractured jaw, that she was injected with a mixture of heroin and fentanyl, and that when she was thrown from the bridge, it is presumed she was unconscious but alive, the Puerto Rican newspaper added. Keishla Rodríguez Ortiz was taken from a family that loved her, and she and her child were denied the most fundamental right to life, and the joy of knowing what that life could have been, said Muldrow. Rodríguez Ortiz's family declared in an interview with Telemundo 31 that they do not want the death penalty for the boxer. The victim's mother, Keishla Ortiz Rivera, said she prefers he be given life in prison so that he suffers every second as my daughter suffered. The victim's sister has also said that giving him the death penalty would give Keishla's ex-partner an easy way out. Thank you guys for watching this video.
We hope you liked this video. If you want to suggest us any topic, please comment below in comment box.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Take care of yourselves, friends and family members. Bye for now.
Adios amigos.